Welcome to the MOD-ify controller swap guide. In this video, we'll show you how to change the controller on your MOD-ify bike. Let's get started. To change the controller, you'll need a few tools, a set of snippers, your keys, and a set of zip ties. Safety first. Make sure the bike is turned off before proceeding. Next, open the tank with your original mod key and remove the battery by undoing the Velcro straps holding the battery in place. Then, unplug the red cable, which is the battery connector, and the black cable, which is the charger. You will need to remove the motor connector cable, which runs from the rear of the tank to the bottom of the seat tube. Disconnect the cable clamps holding your motor connector cable at the bottom of the seat tube next to the crank and set aside. Snip the zip ties underneath the frame, next to the base of the kickstand, and next to the end of the motor connector cable. Unplug the motor connector cable next to the kickstand. Ensure to unplug in a straight manner so you do not break the prongs in the cable. Unplug the other connections inside the tank. There should be 3 cables. A yellow cable which controls your pedal assist, a main cable which is responsible for your display and front lights, and a red cable which is responsible for your rear light. Remove the controller gently as you feed the controller cable out from the chainstay and out through the tank. Take your new controller and feed the motor connector cable through this point in the rear of the tank. Drop the cable until you can feel it coming through the other end at the bottom of the seat tube. Allow enough slack to connect to the motor. Reconnect the motor cable connector to the controller cable, ensuring the arrows are aligned. Then reconnect your zip ties where you originally snipped them. Finally, reconnect the cables in the tank, ensuring all the arrows are aligned. Start with the yellow cable responsible for your pedal assist, then the black cable responsible for your front light and display, and finally, the red cable responsible for your rear light. To install the controller housing, organize all 3 cables properly beside the controller. Then, ensure the battery connector with the yellow end and the black charging cable with the metal end are pointing forwards to ensure easy battery attachment. Feed the power and charging cable through the controller housing and place the controller housing over the controller and cables. Next, with the yellow battery connector point and black charging point facing downwards, install your new battery, ensuring the straps go underneath the battery mounting bar and over the battery on top. Plug in the battery cable and the charging cable, ensuring they are in the right orientation, then attach the battery straps. Once everything is in place, close the tank, and you're done. If you're not comfortable performing these steps, we recommend you consult a bike technician. If you have questions or need assistance, feel free to contact our support team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.